this bird. Why is it sitting with its feet? Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Okay, he's absolutely beautiful, but he is destroying my tree.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. He really likes you. Excuse me. Pardon me, good sir.
Who's the most handsome guy?
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is off forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
My neighbors complained about my dog, but now they have a woodpecker on their chimney. Let's see if it does it again.